Okay, students, so we're looking at this review right here. Okay, so let's look at number one. Number one asks you, what is the perimeter of Jose's frame? So we have 5.5 and 11/4. So first thing is we need to convert that to a mixed number. So that means this side is now 2 3/4. Perimeter is all the way around. That means this side, and the two other sides. So this and this and this and this. That's perimeter. Perimeter is all the way around. So if this is 5.5, this is also 5.5. If this is 2 3/4, this one is also 2 3/4. So what you're going to do is you can add this plus this and then add it again because I still have these two sides, or you can add this plus this and then this plus this and then add those two together. Do y'all understand?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to choose to add this and this together. So that's 5.5 plus 5.5. I add my wholes, I add my numerators, and then I get 2/2. And you should notice that this is what?
One whole.
1 whole. So if I have 10 and 1, what is that? 11. So now we have found the sum of this and this. Are we done yet?
No.
We still need to find the two other sides. So we have 2 3/4 plus 2 3/4. I add my wholes. I add my numerators. And then I get, this one is an improper fraction. What does that change to? 6 divided by 4 goes in there once. I have 2 left over. And then I add it back to my 4, and then I get 5 2/4. So now I have found the sum of this side and this side. What do I have to do now? Yes, ma'am.
Add the whole and the mixed number together.
Add this and this?
Yes.
Okay, so now I have 11 plus 5 2/4, which is 16 2/4. What do you notice about my answer? What do you notice?
It's you can simplify it.
Yes. I can simplify that. What does that simplify to?
What 16 and 1/2.
16 1/2. Because to simplify, I find a number that can go into both of them. And 2 can go into 2, and 2 can go into 4, right? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at number 2. I'm flipping sides. Do you have to if you still have room on the other side? No. Okay. Number 2 asks you, how much bigger is the perimeter of Brooklyn's frame than Jose's frame? Is this a 1 or a 2-step problem?
2 steps.
It is 2 steps because what do I have to do first? So I have to find the perimeter of Brooklyn. And then what else do I have to do after I do that?
You have to compare it to Jonesy's.
One side.
And then I have to subtract Jose's. Do you see how I thought about what I had to do and I wrote my steps down? Yeah, that's really important. Do you think that's important for you to do when you have a multi-step problem?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so then you can always go back and make sure that, okay, I did this and I did this. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so Brooklyn's is 11.5 inches and then 1 1/3. What do you think I have to do first?
You have to convert 11.5 into a mixed number.
What does that turn into?
11 and 5/10.
Which reduces to?
11 and a half.
So if this is 11 and a half, then what is this?
11 and a half.
If this is 1 1/3, then what is this?
More than 1/3.
Okay. So what do I need to do first?
You can add 11 and 1/2 together, or you can have 1 and 1/3 together.
Right. So I'm going to choose this because this is easier. So this is 11 and a half plus 11 and a half. What do I get? I add my wholes, and then I get 2 over 2.
And it's a whole.
And this is, right, a whole. So what is my sum right now?
3.
23. Okay, and this is just my top and my bottom, right?
Yes.
This is just this. And I want the perimeter, so am I done yet?
No.
So now I need to do 1 1/3 plus 1 1/3. What does that equal?
2 and 2/3.
2 2/3. So what do I do now? Am I done?
No.
You have
You gotta
add 23 plus 2 and 2/3.
And I get 25 2/3. Do you think that's going to be one of my answer choices?
Yes.
Yes. Because this is a multi-step problem, right?
Yeah.
So does that mean I'm done?
No.
So I found Brooklyn's perimeter, right?
Yes.
What do I have to do left?
Yeah,
Subtract
have
it.
Jose's answer, Jose's perimeter to Brooklyn's, and you have to subtract it.
So I have 25 2/3. And what did we figure out was Jose's?
Jose's was 23
16
1/2.
Can I subtract those just like they are?
Yes.
No.
No, I cannot. What do I have?
Different denominator.
Different denominators. So can I set up my touchdown? Yes, do I have to?
No.
Okay, I'm going to save my whole pieces for later. What is a common multiple of 2 and 3? 2, 4, 6, 3, and 6. So I need a denominator of 6, right? What do I have to do to get to 6? I do 3 over 3, right?
Yeah.
Because if I do it to the bottom, I have to do it to the top. So that's 3/6,
That's 2 over 2.
and this is 4/6. I subtract my wholes, which is what? I have to borrow, and then I subtract my numerators, and I get 9 1/6 inches. So I found Brooklyn's perimeter, right? And then I subtracted Jose's, right?
Yes.
Okay. A common mistake students are making is that they're adding the numerator and they're adding the denominator. Okay? Can you do that?
No.
No, you have to have a common denominator. You add the numerator and keep the bottom the same, right?
Yes.
Okay. So do I have any questions on that so far? No?